10 easy and healthy breakfast ideas. Hey everyone, welcome back to Your Health. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but sometimes it can be hard to come up with ideas that are both healthy and easy to make. Today, I'm sharing 10 breakfast ideas that are nutritious, delicious, and perfect for busy mornings. Let's jump right in. 1. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a great way to start your day with whole grains and fiber. Simply mix oats with your favorite milk, add some chia seeds, and top with fruits like berries or bananas. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and it's ready to go in the morning. Overnight oats are a lifesaver for busy mornings. They're customizable, nutritious, and you can make them ahead of time, so you have no excuses for skipping breakfast. 2. Smoothie bowl. A smoothie bowl is a refreshing way to get your daily dose of fruits and veggies. Blend your favorite fruits with some spinach or kale and pour it into a bowl. Top with granola, nuts, seeds, and fresh fruits for a satisfying crunch. Smoothie bowls are not only healthy but also Instagram-worthy. They're a fun and creative way to enjoy a nutritious breakfast that's packed with vitamins and minerals. 3. Avocado toast with eggs. Avocado toast is a trendy and healthy breakfast option. Mash a ripe avocado onto whole grain toast and top with a poached or fried egg for protein. Sprinkle some salt, pepper, and chili flakes for extra flavor. Avocado toast with eggs is the perfect combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. It's a quick and easy breakfast that will keep you full and energized all morning long. 4. Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, making it a great breakfast choice. Top it with a drizzle of honey, some nuts, and a handful of fresh berries for added flavor and nutrients. Greek yogurt bowls are incredibly versatile. You can switch up the toppings based on what you have on hand, making this a convenient and healthy option for busy mornings. 5. Whole grain pancakes. Pancakes can be a healthy breakfast option when made with whole grains. Use whole wheat flour or oat flour and add some mashed bananas or blueberries to the batter for natural sweetness. Who doesn't love pancakes? By using whole grains and natural sweeteners, you can enjoy this breakfast classic guilt-free. Pair with a drizzle of pure maple syrup or a dollop of Greek yogurt for a balanced meal. 6. Chia pudding. Chia pudding is a simple make-ahead breakfast that's packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Mix chia seeds with almond milk, sweeten with a touch of honey, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top with fresh fruit or nuts. Chia pudding is like a dessert for breakfast, but it's actually really good for you. Plus, you can make it in advance, so it's ready whenever you are. 7. Veggie omelette. A veggie omelette is a great way to start your day with protein and plenty of vegetables. Whisk some eggs, pour into a hot pan, and add your favorite veggies like spinach, tomatoes, and mushrooms. Cook until the eggs are set and veggies are tender. Omelettes are a classic breakfast choice that never gets old. They're customizable, nutritious, and perfect for getting in those morning veggies. 8. Peanut butter banana toast. Peanut butter banana toast is a quick and satisfying breakfast that provides a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Spread natural peanut butter on whole grain toast and top with sliced bananas and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This is one of my go-to breakfasts when I'm in a hurry. It's simple, delicious, and keeps you full until lunch. Plus, who can resist the combination of peanut butter and bananas? 9. Breakfast burrito. A breakfast burrito is a portable option that's easy to make ahead of time. Fill a whole wheat tortilla with scrambled eggs, black beans, avocado, and salsa. Roll it up and you're good to go. Breakfast burritos are great for busy mornings or when you need something you can take on the go. Make a batch on the weekend and you'll have a quick, healthy breakfast ready in minutes. 10. Fruit and nut parfait. A fruit and nut parfait is a quick and refreshing breakfast that layers Greek yogurt with fresh fruit and a sprinkle of nuts or granola. It's a great way to get a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Parfaits are so easy to make and they look fancy too. It's a great option for when you want something light but still filling. Plus, you can mix and match the ingredients to keep things interesting. And there you have it. 10 easy and healthy breakfast ideas that you can try out this week. Whether you're in a rush or have time to sit down and enjoy, there's something on this list for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest recipes and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.